Today we're talking about the Pigenius screen protector for the 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. So this will fit all of the JLs. And it is a great screen protector. Most notably, what I like about it is how well it fits, and it's also solid. It's not one of those flimsy kind of windscreens. So first thing you notice is it comes in a nice little carrying case. So when I'm done, I'll actually take it and throw it underneath the back seat in the Jeep. That way it's out of the way. And then you can just slide it out of the case here, and you can see you've got your nice little case. Now, it's important to note that I think to get used to putting this in, it's going to take a little bit of time because it is an exact fit. So there's not too much wiggle room when you put it in. I'll admit it was a little bit of a struggle when I started, but now that I've kind of figured out my routine, it's absolutely amazing. So you're going to put the reflective side that is going to go out towards your window. You have this kind of velvety side over here that is for inside the car. So first thing I do is I'm going to unfold it. And then these little corners, I'm going to leave them in a little bit. That way I can start getting it up towards the window. And then I'll shimmy each one once I'm done. So at this point, you can see that I've kind of got it in there in a flimsy position. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flush it out against the window. Keep in mind, you are working around your rear view mirror. Once you have it up, you're just going to go ahead and slide those mirrors down, and voila. Now it is important to note that you will see that there is a lot of room around the cutout. They even call that out in the listing, and that is because that room is needed in order to make it fit snug against the windshield as much as it does. It needs that room in order to go around your rear view mirror. Overall, I've had this for about 6 to 8 months. It was given for a birthday gift, and I absolutely love it. It's exactly what I was looking for. If you're looking for something that is very high quality, that's going to fit flush with your window, I highly recommend it. If you have any questions about the product, go ahead and drop it down below. Like it if you found the video helpful. Also, down in the description, I will put a link to the product. It is an affiliate link, so if you do make a purchase, it will kick back a little commission to me at no cost to you. Till next time, have a great day.